Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. This is me, and if you're here you know exactly what's in store. To see how I prepared these cherries, go check out my strawberry preserved video because I preserved these in the same way that I made the first stage of the strawberries. If you want to make this gluten-free, add 2 cups of coconut flour instead. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and pop this in the fridge for half an hour. I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.